I just received a box from Shannon Corporation, so let's see what's inside. First thing I see are some shade cloth samples. These are samples of Mecho's Ecovale, a cradle-to-cradle shade cloth. This one is in 1% open privacy weave, and this one a 3% open sunscreen. I also have 2 samples of the new Ecovale Shear. These are all cradle to cradle, and look at this, recyclable, PVC free, and no chemical fire retardants. Next, I see a comprehensive brochure on all their shade cloth lines. This is a great resource, and I can use this to order swatches right off MechoShade's homepage. Let's see what else. Here's a rundown on their state-of-the-art Electro Shades. It looks like they have both line voltage and low voltage options. Intelligent, quiet, and powerful. This IQ3 low voltage one is new. It's an intelligent motor with powerful lifting capacity. I can group motors however I like to. There's a wireless switch, and it senses any obstruction in its way. The IQ3 can talk to these SolarLink wireless daylight sensors for automation. And here's info on their time-tested solar track system that actually tracks the sun for each and every window on your building throughout the day. And of course, here's their famous Mecho 5X and Mecho 7 manual shade systems. These can handle huge manual shades and multi-banded shades. Now that I've received my Mecho folder, my next step is to contact a representative at Shannon Corporation and get them involved with my design team. They're easy to contact at www.shannoncorporation.com, and whatever my concept, they can help me turn it into a reality.